The storm was so big, we are still cleaning up. Many schools stayed closed today, and city streets are hard to navigate, as WBZ's Zinnia Maldonado shows us from Boston.
It's day 2 of blizzard cleanup.
Just had to dig out, so this is a construction site, so we're working hard to clean it out to get ready for today's cruise.
But it's back to business in Boston.
I'm on my way to work, so the streets actually look really good, especially the busier streets. I came from Back Bay Station.
Now, if you walk by this big pile of snow too quickly, you won't even notice that there's a car buried underneath here. But thankfully, the sidewalks in Beacon Hill pretty good, clear enough for people to walk to work and school.
As a mother with a young child in a stroller, I worry about the handicap, and just when streets and intersections are impassable, it's a real safety hazard.
Residents starting to dig out their cars and put out the space savers like lawn chairs and even air conditioners. But with Boston's snow emergency lifted Monday morning, people only have 48 more hours to use them. The city also making the decision to keep Boston public schools open.
School is the place for kids to be in.
Boston Chief of Streets reminding people not to shovel or blow snow into the road, and says crews' main focus today, clearing crosswalks and curbs.
Sidewalks are slush, street is slush. It's a good time.
Because with a record-tying 23.6 inches of snowfall in the city, cleanup is far from over.
Very, very stressful for sure. So I hope they get it cleaned up today.
In Boston, Zinnia Maldonado, WBZ News.